Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing video on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, here's another one of my favorite characters from the Warner Brothers. It is Speedy Gonzales. Andre! Alright, if you want to learn how to draw this little fun character, get ready. Make sure you have some paper and a pencil, and we're all set. Let's begin the lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.